Special Agent Mulder here, and we're down here at Hodgins Road to start off today with, because I drove all the way to Somerville and I'd forgotten my phone, which is kind of important because I use it to film YouTube. So we'll start here, Doodlebug ahoy in about 5 minutes, flicking along here of course, Hodgins Road. And it'll be coming from that direction and heading up the hill. Hasting Station just over the top of the brow there. Yes, and we're in Hastings, about 6 kilometres southeast of Melbourne in Victoria, Australia, on a lovely day. Train filming and rail side action. So let's wait for some trains. There's one of these infamous magpies that swoop in Australia. Cheeky beggars. Gates and Doodlebug ahoy. Flicking along out to widescreen mode. Yeah, there's Mulder and Jack. And next stop for him, Hasting Station. As he throws out the anchor. Alright, let's move down the track, see what else we can get. Bus ahoy there. Okay, so we've made it down here. Oh, Frankston Flinders Road. Sweeper. Should have a steel horse on its way. Coming from down there and heading up the hill. If I can hear him coming now. There go the gates. Here comes the steel horse. Look it out to widescreen mode. Good on. He's motoring down. But you just see the engines at the top of the train there. Coolio. Flying up that hill now. Heading through Somerville. Perfect timing, I just got here. Alright. Let's move down the tracks and see what else we can get.